In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a two-story house in Planner 5D. Now, first, you can get started by creating your first floor. If you want to know how to create a house, I do have a separate video which you can go watch, and I go kind of over the basics in there. But essentially here, as you can see, I have like a very basic house. And now let's actually make it a two-story house. So to do this, whenever you have your build, you want to click on a first floor top left, and you want to click on a new floor. Now, whenever you do this, you can of course rename it. So I'm just going to name this one second floor like this and press on the check mark to apply it. Okay, now we have the first floor and we have the second floor, and if I go to 3D mode and if I actually go to second floor, this is how it looks. Okay, now of course you can then go ahead and customize this just the same way as you can customize the first floor. Make sure the second floor is selected, and now over here you can make adjustments, you can make changes, you can do essentially whatever you want the same way you could do in the first floor. Okay, and of course you can keep going to 3D mode to see how the effects are taking place. Now, if you want to, you could also add stairs because that's kind of normal. So you could go to build over here and you have things like stairs over here. You can then go to first floor and then just put them wherever you want. And like this, you can also add the stairs to your second floor and make it a two-story house. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.